AR, the ugliest speakers known to man. Oh boy. Well, we gotta fix the surrounds on that guy. Look at that electrical tape. What were you guys thinking? Sound amazing, but my goodness, couldn't be uglier. Well, apparently they liked more tight. This clay caulk stuff in here. And yep, there better be an awful lot of stuffing in here because these things are super dead. These speakers. Oh boy. Alright, get all that caulky gunk off of there. Looks like we'll have to desolder the wires here. I believe that says October 1969, but I can't quite see it from here. Anyway, we've got our work cut out for us now. Put a new surround on that speaker. Alright, we applied the glue to the new surround and been pushing it, working it around the cone. The speaker's a little difficult to get behind because of the metal protectors on the bottom here, screen. But I've got this tool that just rolls right along the edge to push that rubber down to the cone. I've probably been doing this for 15 minutes now. We'll clean it up at the end here. Let it dry for about an hour, and then we'll work on the outside edge. Okay, speaker repair. So we got the speaker hooked up to a sine wave generator at low frequency. We want to make sure the voice coil is centered. Sounds horrible. Get yourself a stack of magnets like this. Voice coil kind of self-centers there. It's actually doing pretty well right here. So we'll put some glue in it just to get it secured down in a second here. Alright, we're already cleaned under the edge, so we're going to go ahead and just glop them. Okay, now we got the glue everywhere. Let's turn it back on, make sure it's centered, and then we'll drop our stack of magnets one at a time. Obviously the purpose of having the speaker on is so you can tell if the voice coil is out of center or not. Just keep dropping these guys in. If you have enough of them, you can really put them close together. And we can change the frequency too. 36 hertz, we're going down now. You just want to make sure that the voice coil isn't scraping anywhere. Some of the sounds you hear is because my wires aren't actually connected, they're just hanging there. But the speaker is definitely vibrating like crazy right now. Take it down lower in frequency there. Turn the volume up some more. Just want to make sure that that voice coil is alright. Take it up to about 100 hertz here. It seems like the voice coil is alright. Alright, the speaker is done here, so now we take the magnets off. If you got them oriented the same way, it's very easy to remove them. Like that. Easy. Now the speaker is ready for action here.